Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. This year I decided that I'm gonna be doing my makeup according to a certain theme, like color of the month I guess. And January's color is navy. Is this makeup is this blue with a nude shiny lip. So if you're interested, then please subscribe because I am planning a lot of these. And also, please keep on watching. Of course I have base makeup on. I have all of the foundation, concealer, blush, powder, everything going. Also my eyebrows are done. So now let's get started with the eye makeup because that is the star of the show actually. That's the theme of the month. Of course it's gonna be blue and I'm basing all of the look on this pencil. This is an old one from Avon. It is called a Kajal stick and as you can tell it's kind of worn because it's been around and it's also going strong. And I'm gonna line the lash line with this one. Winging it out only a tiny little bit. Trying to tight line actually. And now blending this out with a brush. It's a bit more denser of a brush. And just blending this color up towards the lid or the crease. It's kind of transferring underneath, but you know what, that's okay because we're gonna blend that just as well. And I feel like a good navy would go so well with this. Of course, I'm going back into the Such a Know-It-All palette. And I'm getting into this navy shade, which is this one. And on the same brush, just kind of powder it down a little bit. And to kind of ombre it out, I'm gonna be using a light blue. This is an Ulta eyeshadow. This is also this is called Moonbeam. And on the same brush, just blending it up towards the crease actually. And also blending out the lower lash line with this color. Or underneath the eyes more like. And now going back into the liner and putting this in the waterline. This goes in the waterline, the other one was under like the under eye area. Just to intensify the blue because we're going all blue this month. And going back into this color on a pencil brush, I'm putting this in the inner corner and of course on the brow bone. Mascara. This is the Trended Up Long Lash. So now the eyes are done and I love it because this is exactly what I was meaning to do for the full month of January. Well, probably with a little bit of variations. I mean, I might get into probably that gunmetal gray. I might get into the gray silver from this palette and probably like that really pretty like beige shiny shade. But we're moving on to the lips now. And the liner is going to be called Brew from NYX. This is a NYX Suede lip liner. And the lip is going to be very nude because I feel like for this eye it needs to be calmed down a little bit. So I'm using a nude lipstick. This is an old Freedom one. This is called Naked. Just a really pleasant, like pinky brownie nude, which is already perfect. But of course I want shine, and I also want some kind of coherence with the eye look. So I'm going into this beautiful gloss, which I've shown for New Year's before. This is Precious Shine from Miss Sporty, and the color is Fancy Unicorn. And it's a gorgeous pink with some blue pigment in it, which is so amazing. And just putting this on top, of course. And this is the look. Okay, so this is my dark blue, navy, and nude makeup look for January. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you will stick around for February, because of course it's gonna be birthday and Valentine's Day, so it's gonna be real fun. And see you then. Bye bye.